In this video, I'll show you how to save files to Google Drive from your phone. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it too. Okay, so first things first, we're going to open up the App Store on our phone and we're going to download Google Drive. So after you type Google Drive on the search bar, you will see all the different apps that Google has. Go ahead and download Google Drive. This is the icon that you will see. After you download the app, tap on Open. And remember that your Google Drive account will be connected to your Google account or your Gmail. So to upload a file, what you're going to do is tap on the plus icon that you see at the bottom right, and then select Upload File. You can either choose it from your photos and videos, meaning your camera roll, or you can browse through your files on your phone. I'm going to tap on Browse. I'm going to select my file. I'm going to give it a few seconds to load. And if you wish, you can also change the name of the file because most cases it's just a lot of random numbers and letters, so you probably won't find it that easy. After you give your file a name, you can also pick a location. So you can either pick to save it on your drive, computers, the documents that were shared with you, or your favorite documents, which are the little ones with the star. I'm just simply going to select my drive, and this will open up all the different folders that I have. So I'm just gonna select one and tap on Save here, then Upload. Depending on how heavy your file is, if your file is super heavy, meaning that you have a lot of pages and documents, it might take a little bit longer, but from my experience, Google Drive works really great on iPhones and Androids. For example, this was super easy. So after this is done, I'm going to go ahead and tap right here. At the bottom, it's going to show us one upload complete. And then Google Drive will show me the documents that were just uploaded to my drive. So this is the one that we just saved. And that's it. It was actually super simple, and Drive is an amazing tool to share and keep all your files organized. I hope this video helped you.